This video is just an explanation of sort of the third level of what you can do with your slides. So first was just to share your slides. The second option is to ask them to take notes while they watch your slides or presentation. And then this third option is where we ask kids to actually interact with the slides. This example I have here is probably not the absolute best because it doesn't have a lot of content. But one of the things you're going to see is on the slide, I've added text boxes where the kids just fill in. We have some thinking slides. We've got key vocabulary where once again, the vocabulary word is bolded or highlighted, or you can add an emoji. Here's another just sort of thinking question. And one of the great advantages of slides is putting in the videos. One of the reasons I like adding videos to slides instead of forms or maybe even Nearpod or Edpuzzle is because you can format the video. So I've already done insert video and grabbed my video from YouTube, but this also in slides, an advantage is you can have a video from your Google Drive that you never publish to YouTube. So here's my video. When I click on it, you see that this blue shows up around it, and then I can choose format options, and on video playback, I can customize this to just be a specific part. So I can say where it's going to start and end. And this way, when the kids watch the video, it's really granular. So you could even have this video here for 2 minutes to 2:35. And then when I close that, when they play it, it's only that 35 seconds. And then the interactivity for this one was watch the video and complete what you can in a hyperlink to a location. And so to hyperlink, remember, you just highlight and then you press on the link tool. Another great thing to do, so I'm just going to copy this video. So now remember I did 2 minutes to 2:35. Well, maybe the next section I want them to watch and interact with is 1 minute to 1:35 or something like that. So you can see right here, it's automatically just going to pull up that part of the video. And maybe in this case, I want them to write in the notes section 2 things you learned in this video clip. An advantage to slides is that kids in the notes section can use the tool voice type to speaker notes. So those kids who struggle with writing, have dyslexia or whatnot, when they use the tool, this is my voice down here typing so they can get their thoughts across on the video. So I'm going to go back and make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, so the only other thing here just to do is force that copy in Google Classroom for each kiddo. So when I'm in Classroom and I'm assigning slides, you want to make it an assignment versus material. So maybe I'll just do it in this class and then delete it. So I'm going to go to my class. Classwork is where you make the assignments. Create assignment. And now when I add it from my drive, and it's going to come up because it's the most recent thing I've looked at, but you could also search up here. When I add it, sorry, the internet's slow. I think it was this one I was playing with. I'm going to insert it. Instead of viewing it, I automatically make a copy for each student. That way, you could just give your slides to those kids, and maybe your first slide is to go through these slides and take notes. So that way, your kids, with the slide you already have, since you forced a copy, can just put main points, things they want to remember right down here on the bottom.